Hello everyone, this is my homework for the beginning or Python for beginners that Paul's done, and this is the homework for tutorial 16. It's about defining and using functions. So you can see here at the top of the program I've written functions, inputGrades and printGrades and avgGrades and high-low. And so I call the functions in the program, and then I print the high grade is, the low grade is, and the average grade. So let's go ahead and run it. I guess I can scroll this down further. It asks for the number of grades. We'll do 4 grades. And our grade is, let's go easy, 77, 88, 99. And it gives us a high grade, a low grade, and the average grade. So if you have any questions, I'll post the code for this with this video. Have a great day.